SICO Torsion Bar Replacement. Torsion Bar Kit. Tools required. Step 1. Remove the stabilizer bar or transport lock. Remove the stabilizer bar. The stabilizer bar must be removed. Use a 9/16 combination wrench, drive socket ratchet, and a 9/16 inch socket and remove the lock nut and 4 washers only. Set aside and save the stabilizer bar, keep screws on, reattach lock nut and 4 washers. Some table models are equipped with a transport lock instead of a stabilizer bar. Use a 1/4 inch hex wrench and a 9/16 inch combination wrench and remove the lock pin and lock nut. Set aside and save the lock pin and lock nut. If the transport lock prohibits the table from closing, remove the upper bolt and nut of the transport lock and swing it down. Step 2. Secure using ratchet straps. Put a ratchet strap midway around tops with table in stored position. Step 3. Remove round glide caps. Using the torsion bar tool, remove the round glide cap from the torsion bar tube on the upper inside leg weldment. Use channel lock pliers if necessary. Discard the cap. Step 4. Remove push cap and washer. Remove the push cap and push washer. Use torsion bar tool to take off push cap and washer. Discard the push cap and push washer. Step 5. Remove the old torsion bar. Remove the torsion bar. Using the drift punch and hammer, tap the torsion bar and punch to break bar free. Step 6. Remove the torsion bar end housing. If the torsion bar cannot be pulled through the torsion bar end housing, the end housing must be removed. Tools needed are a 9/16 combination wrench, drive socket ratchet, 6-inch socket extension, and a 9/16 inch socket. Remove the hex head screw and lock nut that attaches the torsion bar end housing to the table frame. Save the screw and lock nut. Discard the torsion bar and end housing. Step 7. Assemble the new torsion bars. After all old torsion bars are removed, install the new torsion bars. Assemble a new push cap and push washer to one end of a new torsion bar. Place a push cap onto the work surface with the cap open end facing upward. Place a push washer onto the cap with the washer protrusion nesting into the cap. Place one end of the new torsion bar onto the push washer. Using a hammer, drive the torsion bar through the washer and into the push cap. Insert the new torsion bar into the torsion bar end housing. Lubricate the torsion bar end housing and torsion bar tube hex opening with several drops of light machine oil or silicone spray lubricant. Step 8. Insert the new torsion bar into the torsion bar end housing. If the torsion bar binds with the torsion bar tube hex hole opening, remove the hex head screw and align the torsion bar by rotating housing slightly. Tap the torsion bar through the torsion bar tube hex hole. Align the housing with a drift punch and assemble the hex head screw and lock nut. The torsion bar should extend about 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch from the end of the torsion bar tube. Holding the leg assembly, tap the push cap with a hammer until the push washer is snug against the end housing. Step 9. Attach the new push cap and washer to the new torsion bar. When all torsion bars are inserted, remove the ratchet strap holding the two leg weldments together. Spread the table slightly, applying pressure to the torsion bars, preventing movement when attaching the push nut caps and washers. Place a new push cap and washer onto the end of the new torsion bar. Place SICO torsion bar tool onto the push cap flange. Strike the torsion bar tool with a hammer and drive the push cap and washer onto the torsion bar. Make sure that the push cap is fully seated onto the torsion bar. Use a hammer and tap the glide cap cover over the push cap and washer. Step 10. Reattach stabilizer bar or transport lock. Reattach the stabilizer bar using the hex head screw lock nut washers. Rebolt the transport lock from step 1. Replace the lock pin and lock nut. Check the table operation by unfolding and refolding to the storage position. The torsion bar replacement is now complete.